How do I adjust spending limits without disrupting campaign performance? So when it comes down to spending limits without disrupting campaign performance, first off, I would ask you, why would you want to adjust your spending limits? Reason for that, if ads are performing well for you, you should not be tinkering around, your budget limits. Why? Is because what we don't want to do is we don't want to say Amazon, this works really well for me, this campaign, but I'm just going to allow it only $50 per day to run, In case that it comes down to you want to manage inventory because you are running out of stock, that is a different issue. But when it comes down to disrupting campaign performance, here I'm assuming that the campaign already performs well, and what you want to do is just limit its spending. So in that scenario, what I would personally do, I would not tinker with the budget in sense of I would not limit it, I would increase the budget. And if the performance still continues to be the same, best performing campaigns, those are the ones that we are always going to increase our budget, because those are the ones that already proved to us that are working. For those, we would never limit spend when it comes down to that. Now, of course, when it comes down to limitation, you can ask maybe on a daily basis, could I just make sure that I'm not spending, whatever Amazon wants to spend and a lot of money? You can definitely do that. However, here I'm just zooming out for clarity. Why? What is the reasoning behind? Because based on that, I can give you a better answer.